Do you want to know how you can log into your Ineuron account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Ineuron account or your Ineuron AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and search for Ineuron.ai login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Ineuron where you can log in using your Google or your Apple ID, or else you can log in using your email address. Go ahead and write down your email address over here, your password over here, and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your Ineuron account. If you want to skip this, you can go ahead and click continue with Google. This page will load up, select your Gmail, and then press continue. This way you can sign into your Ineuron account quite easily. I hope this video about how you can log into your Ineuron account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.